In this video, I'm going to give you a quick demonstration on how you can obtain a web access code so you can file your T2 return. So once you've completed your T2 return and want to submit it, head up to Transmission and click on Transmit CIF. When you click on Transmit CIF, you'll eventually be greeted by a dialog box that says to enter your web access code. Now there are two ways you can get your web access code. You can either call the CRA help desk or you can click on the Get WAC button at the bottom. For this scenario, I'm going to click on Get WAC. Once you've clicked on the Get WAC button, you'll have to fill in your business information. You'll have to fill in information such as your business number, taxation year-end date, incorporation date, postal code, first name, last name, and the title. Your business number and incorporation date must be registered with the CRA beforehand, or else you will not be able to generate your WAC. If you're running into errors in terms of your incorporation date, it's always a good idea to make sure that your software is fully up to date and supports the fiscal years that you're trying to file for. If we take a look at my software, it supports the fiscal year from January 1st, 2019 all the way until May 31st of 2022. Once you've filled in all your business details, simply click on Submit and an 8-digit code will then be generated. You have now obtained your web access code and can continue filing your return.